Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk, the podcast where learning English feels just like chatting with friends.
And hello from me too, Jack here, and today's topic is one that everyone loves, or sometimes argues about.
That's true. We're talking about family.
Ah yes, family. The people who make us laugh, cry, and sometimes drive us crazy.
Exactly, but also the people we love the most. So, today we'll help you talk about your family in English, how to describe them, talk about relationships, and share family stories.
Perfect, because whenever someone asks, "Tell me about your family," I panic and just say, yes, I have one.
Don't worry. After this episode, you'll sound confident
with the basics.
Introducing your family members.
Sure. So, Emma, tell me about your family.
All right. I come from a small family. I live with my husband and our 2 children, a son and a daughter.
Nice. How old are your kids?
My son is 10 and my daughter is 7. What about you, Jack?
I have a big family. I live with my parents, my grandmother, and my younger sister.
Wow, that's lovely. So you live in a big house?
Not really. It's always noisy. Someone's always talking, singing, or cooking.
Sounds fun and maybe a bit chaotic.
Exactly.
Useful phrases. I come from a small, big family, describing family size. I live with my... Talking about who you live with. I'm the eldest, youngest child, describing position in family. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters, describing siblings. My parents are retired, talking about parents.
A quick quiz for you. Question 1. How do you say in English, who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
Perfect. Question 2. If your brother's son is your...
Nephew.
Yes. And your sister's daughter is your...
Niece.
Brilliant. Now, let's talk about the big family tree.
Yes, grandparents, cousins, uncles, and aunts.
Exactly. I have 3 cousins. We used to spend every summer together at my grandparents' house.
That sounds lovely. Did you play games or go on trips?
Both. My grandmother cooked for all of us, and we played cricket outside. It was amazing.
That's such a nice memory. You can use phrases like, I used to spend time with my grandparents. My cousins and I are very close. We always have family gatherings on holidays.
Yes, gatherings. In my house, family gatherings mean lots of food and noise.
I think that's universal. Relatives. Members of your extended family. Cousin. Your uncle's or aunt's child. Nephew. Your brother or sister's son. Niece. Your brother or sister's daughter. In-laws. Your husband's or wife's family. Siblings, brothers and sisters. Grammar focus, possessive form.
Now let's look at grammar. When we talk about family, we often use possessive forms like my mother's name is Sarah. Jack's sister is younger than him. Emma's husband works in London.
Ah, yes, that little apostrophe S. It shows ownership.
Personality
and relationships.
Okay, let's talk about what our family members are like.
Good idea. So, how would you describe your parents?
My dad is very funny. He's always telling jokes. My mum is the calm one. She keeps the family balanced.
That's nice. And your sister?
She's talkative. She never stops chatting.
Sounds like you, Jack.
Hey, I'm just practicing my English.
Sure. When describing family, you can use adjectives like kind, friendly, strict, funny, caring, patient.
And sometimes annoying.
Especially siblings. Okay, listeners, repeat after us. I have a big family.
My brother is very friendly.
My parents are strict but kind.
My grandmother is the sweetest person I know.
These are perfect for everyday
family
conversation.
activities. So, Jack, what do you usually do with your family on weekends?
We love having dinner together. Sometimes we cook barbecue in the garden.
That sounds lovely. I like watching movies with my family on Fridays.
Ah, movie nights. Who chooses the movie?
Usually my daughter, which means we watch a lot of cartoons.
Family democracy.
Exactly. You can talk about family time using phrases like, we enjoy spending time together. We often go out for dinner. We visit our grandparents every month. We celebrate birthdays together. Let's test your listening. What does "we are very close" mean?
It means we have a strong and friendly relationship.
Correct. How do you say "Je m'appelle Emma" in English?
What do you do on Sunday?
We visit our grandparents every Sunday.
Excellent. Talking about family traditions. Emma, does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, every Christmas we bake cookies together and watch old holiday movies.
That sounds wonderful. My family gets together for Eid. We cook special dishes and visit relatives.
That's lovely. Family traditions make life special. You can say, we celebrate Eid with our relatives. We have dinner together every Sunday. We take a family photo every New Year.
Ah, the yearly awkward family photo.
Yes,
Grammar
always
focus.
someone blinking.
Talking about past and present. When sharing family memories, we use the past tense. For example, I used to visit my grandparents every summer. We always had big dinners on Sundays. My dad taught me how to ride a bike.
And for present habits, we say, we usually eat together. My mum always calls me in the morning.
Exactly. Families can be funny, sometimes loving, sometimes stressful.
Yes, but it's okay to talk about emotions too. You can say, I'm very close to my mother. I miss my family. I don't see my relatives very often.
Or, my brother and I sometimes argue, but we always make up. That's great English. Make up means to become friends again after an argument.
Ah, one of the most useful family verbs.
All right, everyone, let's quickly review what we learned today. Talking about family members, using possessive forms, describing personality, family activities and traditions, grammar for past and present, useful phrases for everyday conversation.
That's a full family package.
Exactly.
We hope today's episode helps you talk about your family with confidence.
And don't forget, the best way to practice English is by talking about real things you care about, like your family.
Absolutely. So tell us in the comments, who are you closest to in your family? And why?
We'll read your answers in the next episode.
And if you enjoyed this podcast, please click like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family.
Because learning is always better together.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode
Of Smart English Talk.